Hey everyone, welcome to PrimeFX where we teach how to trade safely, not how to gamble. This is our third video and we are going to talk on very basic of market structure and break of structure, which is known as BOS. Our market structure is actually 1 to 3 pattern. So let's jump into our learning. Whenever we go to chart, we see market moving in this way. Market moves up, then retrace a bit, then goes up, and then again retrace and then goes up, and eventually repeat this pattern in bullish trend. While in bearish, same goes like this. Market move downward, then retrace a bit, then move downward, then again retrace, move downward, retrace, move downward. So in this way market make an impulse, which is this a rapid movement like this, a rapid movement, and then a slower movement, this slow movement, and then again a rapid movement. This very fast or rapid movement of candles is known as impulse. When market slow downs at a certain point, we we type it as a retracement. Let's jump into live chart for examples. This is trading view and it's a gold chart, and this single candle is 1 hour. If we mark these candles, I have told you market goes up, then a retrace a bit, then moves down, then again goes up, retrace a bit, then move up, retrace a bit, come down again, and market keep follow this pattern. Same in bearish way like this, market come down, retrace, then come down, retrace, again, retrace, and then again. So market move in two ways, make an impulse and a retracement. Have to identify 1, 2, 3 and break up structure. So overall this is market structure. Market moves in impulse, make a retracement, then move, then go to impulse and make a retracement. This is called market structure. So here we do our marking because we work on technical analysis, and the technical analysis route is 1, 2, 3 pattern. What is 1, 2, 3 pattern? Here we draw a line, impulse, retracement, then impulse, retracement, impulse. Here, when we reach at a certain height, certain level, certain price, we and market start doing retracement, we mark this highest candle and wait. Then market started again impulse and close a candle on this level. We we say this strong move as one, and when any candle closes above this uh, high before retracement, we consider this lowest wick or lowest candle as 2, and when again market start retracing like here, we make a line here and call it 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Again market repeats same pattern here, like market started coming down, we forget this 3 and mark it 1 as it is an impulse. So we forget this 3. Let me erase it for you. And then again mark a line and wait for any candle or impulse start and closing above this line. When once any candle close above this line, we mark it 2, and then again retracement start, we mark it 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Market move in 1, 2, 3 pattern. Let me bring you here. Let me teach you here. Like, let me clear it first. Here market was going up, impulse, then it coming started coming down. I will teach you in our next videos that what is the criteria for retracement, and then you will clearly understand. For right now you have to just focus market make an impulse, and at a certain moment like this high, market started retracing. I already told you we have to mark a line above it like this straight line, and now we wait for this to break this line and close the body. Once this body is closed, we mark this as an impulse 1, then this low as a 2, and once again retracement started here like 2 candles or whatsoever retracement like this started here, we say 3, and then again we wait for another candle to close above this. Same in bearish case, market came down, we market 1, market started retracement, we waited until this low has been broken by a closing of a body, and we mark it as a 2 and mark a line above lowest wick, and then again wait making another retracement here, and then we say 3, and after this low a body goes above this low, we will say it 1, 2 and 3. So this is 1 2 3 pattern. Market moves in 1 to 3 pattern. I will bring you to the live chart also for demonstration. Now what is break of structure? Break of structure is actually once market make an impulse started a retracement, and once highest wick of that impulse a body close above it, we say it break of structure. Like previous high is now been dominated by a new candle, and we do not know what will be the next price where retracement start, but we know that previous high has been broken. So we know say it break of structure, we will say this as break of structure. Again market if come down and start up, it close one candle above our line, we say break of structure. Same in this bearish case, we say break of structure. Here again break of structure. So on. Market moves, market keep moving like this. So this was our 1 to 3 pattern and break of structure. Now let me bring you to the chart. Here, as I already told you, let me clear this first. Here we go. As you know, I told you market came down like this, and at a certain height it started going down. We mark this line and we wait. As one candle close above below this line, we mark this high. Now this will be our 1 2. We wait for another retracement, and here retracement started, we mark a line, we call it 3. Then again we wait as the candle close below this, we mark this line and we assume it as a 2, and we call these as a break of structure, and this is how market start uh, an impulse. This is how market moves, like here in a bullish way. Same, like market goes up, started retracement, then goes up, started retracement, break of structure, retracement, break of structure, retracement, break of structure, and then retracement break, and a certain time it changed direction toward bearish, then again bullish. So you have to, if you want to learn this, you have to follow our this channel from very basic to advanced videos on this Facebook page, our YouTube and TikTok. So if you want to learn from very basic to advanced of trading, please follow us here. And if you want to join our course to very advanced, you will become a fully trader in just 2 months. You can contact us on provided WhatsApp number or Instagram or even on our website. Thank you so much. Keep watching PrimeFX and stay tuned.